You think your gut problem is about digestion, bloating, discomfort, unpredictable digestion. You have tried elimination diets, probiotics and fiber supplements. Some. Things help a little. Nothing resolves it completely. But what if your real problem is not digestion at all? What if it is a protective wall inside your gut? That is quietly breaking apart. That wall decides what enters your body and what stays out. When it fails, inflammation may no longer stay inside your gut. Your gut isn't just digesting food. It may be deciding how much inflammation reaches the rest of your body, your brain, your heart, your liver, your joints, your metabolism. Welcome to Cellfresco. One belief drives everything we do here. Every cell has a healing food. Today we're going one level deeper, not to your symptoms, but to your cells. 3 cellular problems, 3 healing foods, what to eliminate, a daily protocol, and a Cellfresco bonus that goes beyond food. Now the story. Imagine your gut lining as a brick wall. Each brick is a gut cell called an enterocyte. Between every brick is mortar. Scientists call these tight junctions. When the mortar is strong, nutrients pass through. Bacteria and toxins stay where they belong. But chronic inflammation, processed food, stress, and an unhealthy microbiome slowly dissolve that mortar. Tiny gaps appear. Researchers call this increased intestinal permeability. Most people simply know it as leaky gut. Now bacteria and their toxins begin slipping through the wall into your bloodstream. Your gut is no longer just inflamed. It may be sending inflammation throughout your entire body. Every bite you eat is sending instructions to your gut cells. Some instructions strengthen the wall, others dissolve the mortar. Problem 1. Your gut wall has gaps. A bacterial toxin called LPS leaks through those gaps. Your immune system cannot tell that it came from your gut. It reacts as though your body is under attack. That inflammatory alarm can spread wherever your blood travels. Bloating isn't the disease, it's your gut cells asking for help. The healing food, garlic. Garlic provides a litsin to help suppress harmful bacteria producing LPS, while its prebiotic fibers feed beneficial bacteria that produce. Butyrate. Butyrate is the favorite fuel of your gut wall cells. Think of it as the cement that helps the builders keep repairing the mortar. Action: 2 cloves of garlic every day, raw or lightly cooked. Problem 2. Your repair crew is running out of building materials. Imagine trying to rebuild a brick wall without bricks or cement. That is what happens when gut cells do not receive the nutrients needed. For repair, glycine appears to calm inflammatory signaling. Glutamine fuels regeneration of the gut wall. Without them, the wall keeps breaking down faster than it can be. Rebuilt. Discomfort isn't the disease. It's your gut cells asking for help. The healing food, bone broth. Bone broth supplies both glycine and glutamine in a highly bioavailable form. Every cup may be giving your repair crew the exact materials needed to rebuild the wall. Action: 1 cup every day. Problem 3. The wrong bacteria have taken over the neighborhood. Beneficial bacteria normally keep harmful bacteria under control, but sugar, processed foods, and repeated antibiotics allow LPS producing bacteria to dominate. More harmful bacteria, more LPS, more inflammation. Unpredictable digestion isn't the disease, it's your gut cells asking for help. The healing food, fermented foods. Kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and natural yogurt with live cultures help restore beneficial bacteria and improve microbiome diversity. Research suggests that as beneficial bacteria increase, inflammatory signaling decreases. Think of fermented foods as sending reinforcements back into the neighborhood. Action: 1 serving every day. The goal. The goal is not simply to calm your digestion. The goal is to change the signals your gut cells are sending to the rest of your body. Your daily protocol. 3 foods. 3 healing signals. 1 stronger gut barrier. Garlic every day, bone broth every day, fermented foods every day. What to eliminate? Reduce sugar and refined carbohydrates. Avoid ultra-processed foods rich in emulsifiers. Limit alcohol. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Protect your sleep. These are not simply unhealthy habits. They are direct inputs into the cellular signals driving this disease. Cellfresco bonus. 1 extracellular signal. Because food isn't the only language your cells understand. The signal. A 10-minute walk after every meal. The cells listening. Enterocytes and gut immune cells. The response. After you eat, a short walk helps keep food moving through your digestive system. Walking after meals also helps regulate blood Sugar, creating a healthier environment for your gut cells. Think of it as sending your gut wall repair crew out on active duty. Instead of letting harmful bacteria settle in. Action: walk for 10 minutes after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Now back to where we began. The bloating, the discomfort, the unpredictable digestion. You were right to believe something deeper was happening. There really is a wall inside your gut. Walls can be damaged, walls can be repaired, but only if you give the builders the right materials and the right signals. Every bite is a conversation with your gut cells. Every habit sends another cellular signal. Every day is another opportunity to change the conversation. Every cell has a healing food. Your gut cells are no exception. If this video helped you understand what was happening beneath your symptoms, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cellfresco. Every week we explore how food and the signals you send every day shape the health of your cells. Keep healing, keep thriving.